What up, Yedy?
What, bro?
What do you got right here, bro?
What else is...
Some fucking Ronos, bro? Oh, these are the palm trees, not the lion. Fucking got the.
One of those 7 ounces.
That's what I'm talking about. And you see, you got the stand, bro. We're missing these cool. That little one's not gonna work, bro. We need a bigger one. So we got that.
And a big ass one in the back.
Yep. Let's go get that bitch in a second. We gotta season it though, cause it's got a bunch of rust. So I just wired it off. And got the grill, bro. About to fire this bitch up here in a second. Got some steel wool because once it's recorded, it takes a few seconds for it to actually catch up. Got some steel wool. We got the disco, which is Spanish for disc, plow. Plowshare made into a disc. Get some steel wool. Got tons of rust on it. This is wool. This is actually the one that my family's had this for a real long time. So you actually have to scrape all this off. You're basically going to treat this like you treat the, here's rust right there. Basically treat this the way you treat like your cast iron skillets and pots and pans. You take your steel wool to knock all the rust off. And once you knock your rust off, then you'll have to put this on a burner, heat it up, get it really hot. And once you do that, you'll season it. By seasoning it, I don't mean you literally put seasoning on it. You hit it with oil, cooking oil, and that cooking oil will, you see all the rust falling off there. You hit it with that cooking oil, and that cooking oil will create a type of polymer coating, so to speak. It'll fill in all the little pores and gaps and stuff in this old school cast iron, and then it'll seal it off, and you can cook in it. And every time you cook in it, you just gotta wash it off, pre-seal it, and you're good to go. And this has been around for right around the, I think the 80s. So it's at least older than me, for sure. This plow's been around forever. So. Don't let any of this get into your eyes. If it splashes in your eyes, it's a fucking nightmare to get out. See? See? Very little rust in there now. Very little rust. See, I'm scrubbing pretty hard too. Like I said, it's supposed to be like Jess, bro. It don't look like Jess to me. Motherfucker's on.
Where's that called over there?
Alright, bro. Just got me a old school jar I had of table salt. Threw it on here. Now we're gonna season the shit out of it. Alright guys, we're back again. Here we Yedy. 1 and 2. Got some baby portobello mushrooms. Got some squash, stuff like that. Birds are going crazy. Can't never do anything without jalapenos. I've got some potatoes that we're going to cut here in a minute and make fries in the disco. And we got the star of the show here. We've got some salmon. Also have some tilapia that'll be seasoned up here pretty quick. Here's some of the skewers they'll be on. So we're gonna slice all these up, skewer them up, and throw them on the grill to go along with everything else. We've got some lemons. I'm gonna slice these up, throw them on top of the salmon. That'll go along really good with the buttery herbs and garlic. And then regular lemon pepper, can't go wrong with that. Hit up some adobo, shout out AP. Anyways, we're gonna get started on this real fast. So this will probably be fast forwarded or whatever. Okay. Sorry, I'm not putting this back in there anymore anyways. Get a healthy amount of butter. People use tools. I use my hand. And we're done with the butter for now. Slap it, kitty. Thank you so much.
You're running out of butter anymore?
No, ma'am. Only for the shrimp, but I'll do it in there. Put the butter. Gotta massage it in there real good, like yeah, like get it in there. Look at that, all in there.
What's this on the one I said?
Why not?
Don't say.
Why?
That was.
What the fuck is wrong? No. You're right. You shouldn't have said that. Terrible idea. Maybe want to stab you for that, bro. Alright, it looks super gross, I get it, but my hands are clean. I washed them last month, and I'm gonna go ahead and move this out. Like, we're gonna get some shrimp, dump it on the sides, throw it on the grill, move on with that. Yedy's gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and move this out of the way. Yedy's gonna go ahead and start cutting up these. Right here, we got all this, so we're gonna hit it. Lemon pepper.
Be generous with that shit.
As you can see, this takes forever. I don't try to overdo it on a whole lot of that, but like this one here, you do need to be careful when you're doing the garlic one.
Oh, garlic one.
You overdo the garlic, it'll kill your salmon. So you do gotta be really careful with it. You know, garlic makes a lot of people really gassy. Not to be gross about it, but it does make people pretty gassy. It'll give you a lot of pain on your stomach. You overdo it. Certain people I know cannot do garlic for that reason. I'm not one of them, but.
Except that one time.
Oh, bro, yeah.
That food's so delicious, though.
Pull this out. Oh. Okay. I already washed my hands, so it's all good. Now, we're also going to set straight lemons in here. All right, lay down a single layer of foil there. I don't know if I can talk, more your stutter. Got the other one, these are double here. Fold it up, one inside of the other. So if there's any leaks or anything, the second one hopefully catch it. If not, the third one will. Just keep it from getting everywhere. We've got a third foil on top. This is what we'll use to cover it. The wind is really bad today, so if the audio sucks, it's not off. Whatever oil you want. So from here, add whatever oil you want, don't really matter. That ought to be about enough. It's about roughly a foot across for the whole disco. Let the heat get up real good. It'll start boiling here in a minute. When it does that, now for this is not salmon. It's cheaper. Tilapia is way cheaper,
I don't know
bro.
how much you want.
Now for the tilapia, you can do whatever you want, add whatever seasonings and stuff. But this is already, this is set up right here. We have black pepper. Black pepper is what we're gonna need right here. We're gonna add some black pepper. Then we're gonna add one lemon slice or wedge to it. Once we get it in the foil, so let me get the foil cut ready. Okay, one foil piece. You don't have to. Yeah. This is actually two pieces, I believe.
That is.
2 pieces of tilapia. See, back to back.
Look at it cook on top of each other.
So we'll do this, and when we have it on the grill, we'll flip it. So what we'll do,
What's all here?
up here, there we go. We'll have this. We'll have
Straight up broke that lemon in half.
I know.
what's wrong with that?
All that muscly guts.
I know, I'm used to just the squeeze.
Okay, so we
This comes out.
No.
Y'all just ready to squeeze this all explodes.
okay, so we added some lemon juice. We're gonna go ahead and flip this bad boy over. That wind is crazy. Flip it. Roll it up. Still on there. Right here, it's gonna hold the. Oh, look at that! Looks real good. We're gonna go ahead and set these bad boys up here. There we go. So we're also missing some jalapenos. Throw some of these in with the potatoes. Be delicious. Cherry, you don't look too excited about that word.
Not a fan of jalapenos.
Shut you son of a bitch.
I am in certain things, but
Ah, watch the kids. You know what? For some more food.
What? I can keep up with how much food people give for how much work. You know, in exchange for food. Well, that's not a real job. Oh, when making food is, you son of a bitch. Portobello mushrooms in there. on the edge. You just throw the rest of these.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna just set these right here on the edge. Now I'll just slide them in. Watch. Oh, thanks, bro. Spin on me and get it. A lot of grease though, crisped up. Not too bad. A lot of grease though, right? So we're west side about it. We're gonna throw it inside that Corona box.
Oh,
Let the napkins and cardboard soak up all the grease, so it's not as bad. Clean all these up.
the salmon tastes great.
Scrape the teaspoon. Salmon tastes amazing, don't it? Taste the lemon on the inside of it.
Yeah.
That citrus just soaks straight to the bottom, man. It's amazing. Pull this out. Got a little bit of crunchies just kind of floating around in here. No biggie. All right, throw in the disco.
There we go. That's what you wanted to hear, right?
Drop back away.
Woo-wee.
Grill. That's what it is. The burger spatula, but it's awesome because you can get down in the nitty gritty, take them all out. You know what I mean? You just gotta taste it.
Dad, that smells good.
Going around, they're still alive. They're hot.
Crispy. Good.
Yeah.
Come on in there, fuck it.
Salmon yet, bro? Salmon tonight? Ready to get the salmon tonight? The tilapia, the shrimp. Makes you feel really good after busting ass making all that food. And then it's just like tore up. It's like half of this is gone. This is just bones. Still got a couple skewers left, but you know, Yedy hadn't got into his yet. Pretty good. So, yeah. Well, for the rest of us here at Triple B, at Beer Beans and Bullets, I really hope that this video is gonna be something you guys like. It'll be something a little bit different.